Hello, welcome to the core statistics class in your business program. My name is Amit Tata and I will be the instructor. In this introductory video, I'll try to give you an idea of what the course is about and also offer some tips that will help you do well in the course. Now, did you know that on average, women pay less for automobile insurance compared to men? Now, why is that? How did businesses arrive at this decision? They basically analyzed a ton of historical data and found some patterns. For instance, they found that women on average drive fewer miles than men. Also, the cars that they buy tend to be less expensive to fix compared to the cars that men buy. They tend to commit fewer moving violations. So you can see that the raw data by itself is fairly useless. It's the patterns in the data that tell you something about the underlying phenomenon and allow you to make decisions. So that is really what statistics is all about. It's about extracting patterns from data. And in this course, we will learn some basic tools and techniques to help us do just that. Now remember that this is just an introduction. There are a lot of sophisticated statistical techniques, but we will study the more common ones and the very basic ones that you are likely to encounter quite frequently. So that's the what in terms of what will be covered in the course. In terms of how we will go about doing our learning, we will learn the statistical concepts not by studying mathematical theory, but by solving a lot of problems. So we'll try and use these methods, see how they're applied in actual business problem settings. So do bring your textbooks and your laptop. Now, this course is quantitative in nature. Excel will help with a lot of the arithmetic drudgery, so you needn't be afraid of having to do a lot of manual calculations. But given its quantitative nature, I will not be able to eliminate the math completely. And you need to be reasonably comfortable with quantitative concepts. So those concepts will permeate the whole course. So in terms of tips to doing well in the course, the recipe is quite simple really. First is to keep up with the material. The course is only 8 weeks long, and the material builds on itself very rapidly. So do keep up with the reading, and in particular, come to the first day of class absolutely prepared. So if you fall behind on the very first day, then you're starting behind the eight ball, so to speak. So the second tip that I would give you is to work a lot of problems. Work as many problems as you can. And most importantly, when you work the problem, don't do them mechanically. It's not possible to memorize everything. You need to try and understand why things are being done, why problems are being solved in a particular way, and what are the underlying concepts as you solve the problems. Okay? So now this course generates a certain level of anxiety because of its quantitative content. But rest assured, it's not rocket science. A little bit of discipline and a little bit of practice should take you a long way in doing well in the course. Last but not least, know that I'm here to help you succeed. That doesn't mean that I will dilute the content or lower grading standards, but it does mean that I will do my best to come prepared as well as I can to every class. I will do everything I can to be as organized as I can be, and I will also make myself available to you when you need assistance. So with that, welcome to the course, and I look forward to seeing you on the first day of class.